Good morning, namaste, and welcome to another vlog. Sunday's vlog. Plan is nothing right now. Shivam's gonna come and his friends are gonna cook food and eat and maybe chit chat. That's the whole plan in the afternoon, and that's it. I have nothing to say. Let us see what happens. So Aarti has gone out to pick up Shivam, and I think so to market also. Ira is outside dancing on the music. Time to have breakfast also. So let us see what's there. Um, Mostly we order in a Sunday in the morning. So I guess this time for today, Aarti and Shivam is out, so they're gonna get something for the breakfast. I'm gonna give a call and see. And you guys have a nice Sunday. Guess what? I forgot to edit and upload vlog. So I am doing in hurry. If you can see, I am doing some part of editing, and my breakfast is here. So today I must finish this as quick as possible, and because later on guests and little bit work around which I have to do little bit traveling, so I won't able to edit and upload. So I have this time. I need to finish as quick as possible. Might be a little short vlog, but comparatively like previous vlog, this will be a little bigger. Not much, maybe 4-5 minutes bigger. Hoping to do a lot of conversation, and please tell me like whether you like my vlogs or not. I need some comments, so it helps me to grow in terms of my own well-being. Someone did tell me on my face and he liked the intro of it. Someone else said, yeah, your vlogs are there, but we can't hear it. You need to be very loud. I'm trying to be. Uh, Let us see. And thanks for the comment and suggestions. Are you serious? Crocodile? खंय?
थंय असो तो ब्लॅक कार दिसता पळय
हय.
तेजे ते झाडांनी लिपला तो असो गेलो म्हाका पळोवन कितें तरी जालें
चल या. शिव वचून पळोवया. वचून पळोवया.
वयतात रे सकयल
हय.
म्हाका भंय दिसता
हांव पयसल्यान खंय एलिगेटर न्ही. यो चल. यो 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 शिवम यो. एलिगेटर यो यो. कोणी? यो शिव. एलिगेटर. Going down to see alligators. Let us see. ना त्या वाटेन ना गाडी पोनाक पळय हा गाडी पोनाक पळय हा साला गाडी पोनाक वतलो. सेफ जनी बोल दिया उसने.
बाय
बाय. आवडो. ही शी को ही बनाने वाली. सब लोग जा रहे हैं बैक टू रियल लाइफ. रियल लाइफ. End of the day. End of a session. Back to reality. When is Shivam coming back? Shivam, when are you coming back? Ask Mama when are you coming? हाँ अभी जा मैं नीचे जा रहा हूँ पूरा बैग बराबर रखा हूँ चलो I'll go down
What Aarti? It's on the bed.
चलो
Yeah, what Aarti? You got cherries and all?
cherries
All the way from Nagaland. No, it is manufactured there. That's what the road tax was or something.
see you Shivam bye bye Ripriya
Bye.
bye Ira let it be into so we just had been to DIY bought something Ira liked something spent some time Shivam and his friends have gone back to Bangalore we just got home gonna have coffee eat something watch a movie Sunday so I told you it's a relaxed day currently we're making something
Nanu house.
yeah where we went
To the Nanu's house.
to the Nanu's house okay as usual when the game is going on it is just junk food for currently right now it is lollipop chicken and now the Qatar and Equatorial game is going to start this is going to be my routine now till the finals so I'm not going to put much of my stories of it let's enjoy and see who wins I support Germany what about you let me know in the comments the fact about today's game is that my mom and my father, both my parents used to enjoy. Since my father is no more, I have the only one company, that's my mom. And we all are watching the match. It's going to be half time. It's 2-0. It's fun. So the game for today is over. Qatar said sorry, very sorry. Sad time for Qatar. It's okay, it's the first match. And nice game, Ecuador. I liked it. So it's time to sleep. It's nearly 11:30. Most of them, everybody is going to sleep. Got an early day tomorrow. It's Monday. I love Mondays. I need to get up around 4:30, 5 o'clock. That's what I get up. So a lot of things to do and hope you guys have a nice day do tell me in the comments who's gonna win for the World Cup I want to see comments so I have an idea what's going and I will have a giveaway and it's something first thing that I'm gonna start maybe tomorrow day after tomorrow to know what it is comment down and let me know good night and see ya bye
When you